So I want to first off congratulate you in taking the first step in learning how to trade or invest in the stock market. My name is Ricky. I have a little bit over 1.1 million subscribers here on YouTube. I'm also verified on Instagram, 232,000 followers. And one of my biggest passions is not only trading myself every single morning with my LPP team, but also teaching the next generation of traders. Within the next 4 videos that you are going to be watching here on YouTube, no fluff, straight to the point, and it's going to show you the tools and resources that are made available now for the new beginner traders. I really hope that you learned something new, and if so, please consider dropping a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel if you feel like I earned it. The first thing that I want to talk about is what is one of the biggest mistakes that a beginner trader makes. When wanting to learn how to do something, and I'm not calling you out because I made this same mistake myself, and I'm pretty certain that you did as well. When learning how to do something, the sole focus should be to learn. But guess what? Just like anything, we're focused on the money. And it really begins to overcomplicate things when you're actually trying to learn how to do something that could be very challenging, like the stock market. Now, the reason I say this is the first thing that I want to talk about is paper trading. Paper trading is also known as simulation trading. It means trading with fake money. But Ricky, why would I ever want to trade with fake money? Because you get to focus on what's actually important, and that's learning how to trade or to invest without taking any form of monetary risk. Paper trading or simulation trading is free. It comes at no additional cost for many popular trading applications out there. The one that I personally use that offers a paper trading or simulation trading application within the actual platform is Webull, and it's the first link in the description down below. At the end of the video, you can feel free to download it and deposit as little as $5, and you'll also earn up to 12 free shares. But the great thing about this paper trading platform is that, let's say that you join my LPP team. I trade live every single morning. So instead of you watching me trade in the stock market, you see my entries, you see my exits. What good does that do for you if you can't try to practice on your own as well? It doesn't mean that you need to copy what it is that I'm doing, as you should never copy, but to understand and to really test yourself with your abilities to be able to buy a stock, sell a stock, test and practice different indicators, whatever the case might be. Imagine being able to do that at no additional cost or monetary risk. This is the beautiful thing about paper trading. You can gain real experience without there being any monetary risk. And is that not the main focus of when learning how to do something? Then of course, when you feel like you understand the market enough and you've gained enough experience, then you can make the solid transition from paper trading with fake money to then trading with real money and ease into it, and however it is that you see it to be appropriate. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually set up a Webull trading application, an actual Webull trading account, and also show you how it is that you can use the paper trading application feature on the Webull app. If you have any questions before moving on to the next video, feel free to comment down below or send me a direct message via Discord, and that's that second link in the description down below. Do not forget to subscribe because you're not going to want to miss the second video.